Welcome back to the Mighty Machinery channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we're going to be presenting how modern manure spreaders have replaced manual manure spreaders. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing manure spreading technology. Manure spreaders are essential tools in agriculture used for distributing animal waste as fertilizer over fields. Traditional methods of manure spreading involved laborers using shovels, forks, and carts. This process was physically demanding and time-consuming. Farmers had to load the manure into carts manually, transport it to the fields, and spread it by hand. However, this method often resulted in uneven distribution, as it was inefficient and struggled to keep up with the demands of growing agricultural operations. As farms expanded, the manual process became a bottleneck, slowing down productivity and leaving farmers longing for a better solution. The inconsistency in spreading meant some plants thrived while others barely survived, turning the simple act of fertilizing into a game of chance. In 1875, Joseph Kemp introduced the first successful automated manure spreader, marking a significant advancement in agricultural technology. These early spreaders were ground-driven units, typically pulled by a horse or team of horses. Initially, manure was manually thrown from a wagon, but later designs incorporated manure unloaders, equipped with a drag chain mechanism at the bottom of the wagon. This chain pulled a load of manure to the rear of the wagon, where it was shredded by a pair of beaters. However, while these unloaders deposited manure directly behind the wagon, they lacked effective spreading to the sides. As a result, farmers still needed to undertake the time-consuming task of manually spreading the manure in the fields using peg-tooth drags or similar implements to prevent soil burning and ensure even distribution. Over the decades, technological advancements have transformed these into sophisticated motorized equipment. Important developments include the addition of hydraulic systems for better control and the integration of motorized parts to enhance spreading efficiency. Various types of modern manure spreaders have been tailored to specific agricultural needs and conditions. Broadcast spreaders, for instance, are designed to fling manure out to the sides, covering wide areas efficiently. They are particularly suited for large fields where uniform distribution is essential for optimal fertilization. Drop spreaders, on the other hand, provide precise placement by releasing manure directly below the spreader. This makes them ideal for smaller fields or areas requiring targeted fertilization. Liquid manure spreaders are specialized machines capable of handling slurry or liquid manure, ensuring even distribution across fields. They are especially beneficial for farms dealing with a significant amount of liquid waste. Finally, pneumatic spreaders utilize air pressure to achieve a fine and uniform distribution of manure, making them a versatile option suitable for various terrains and conditions. Modern manure spreaders boast an array of advanced features that enhance their efficiency and ease of use. Modern manure spreaders have significantly benefited from the integration of GPS technology, which is a cornerstone of precision agriculture. By using GPS, these spreaders can apply manure with remarkable accuracy, ensuring that each part of the field receives the optimal amount of fertilizer. This level of precision minimizes waste and prevents the over-application or under-application of manure, leading to more efficient uses of resources and better crop outcomes. Farmers can now map their fields and program spreaders to follow precise patterns, enhancing the effectiveness of fertilization efforts. Another major advancement in modern manure spreaders is the incorporation of automation and smart features. Many modern spreaders are equipped with automated controls, sensor integration, and advanced technology that can adjust the rate of spreading based on real-time field conditions and manure composition. These smart features enable the spreaders to respond dynamically to varying needs across the field, ensuring consistent application and optimal nutrient distribution. This automation not only improves the accuracy of manure spreading, but also reduces the need for constant manual adjustments, making the process more efficient and less labor-intensive. Design improvements and durability have also played a crucial role in the evolution of modern manure spreaders. Manufacturers now use high-quality materials and advanced design features to enhance the longevity and reliability of these machines. Corrosion-resistant parts ensure that the spreaders can withstand harsh environmental conditions and prolonged exposure to manure, reducing the frequency and cost of maintenance. Additionally, improvements in stability and overall design mean that modern spreaders are more robust and capable of handling large volumes of manure with ease. These enhancements contribute to a longer lifespan and greater dependability, providing farmers with a valuable tool that requires less upkeep and offers consistent performance year after year. Don't miss out on our latest updates and insights in the world of powerful machinery. Hit subscribe now and join the mighty machinery family. The shift to modern manure spreaders has significantly improved efficiency and productivity in several ways. In the past, spreading manure required a significant amount of physical effort and manpower, but today, one operator can manage a large spreader. These machines cover extensive areas quickly and efficiently, significantly reducing the physical demands of workers. This transformation has allowed farmers to reallocate their labor resources to other essential tasks, increasing overall productivity. In addition to reducing labor, mechanized manure spreaders greatly enhance time efficiency. What once took hours of backbreaking work can now be completed in a fraction of the time. Modern spreaders are capable of handling large volumes of manure swiftly, enabling farmers to manage much larger areas than before. This efficiency not only saves time, but also allows farmers to focus on other critical farming activities, such as planting, harvesting, and managing livestock. The consistent and even spreading helps maintain balanced soil fertility, ensuring that all parts of the field receive the appropriate amounts of nutrients. As a result, crops grow more uniformly, leading to improved yields and better overall farm productivity. Investing in modern manure spreaders can prove to be a wise economic decision for farmers, yielding significant long-term benefits. While the initial cost of acquiring these advanced machines may present a notable investment, the subsequent reduction in labor costs, coupled with increased operational efficiency and improved crop yields, offers substantial savings over time. Furthermore, the return on investment for modern manure spreaders is compelling. These advanced machines are designed to optimize soil fertility and promote uniform crop growth by ensuring precise and consistent manure application. As a result, farmers can expect to see higher crop yields and better quality produce, translating into increased profits. The enhanced productivity and improved crop outcomes facilitated by modern spreaders not only enable farmers to meet market demands more effectively, but also position them to capitalize on premium pricing opportunities for superior quality produce. Ultimately, the economic benefits derived from investing in modern manure spreaders far outweigh the initial investment, making them a valuable asset for farmers seeking to maximize profitability and sustainability in their agricultural operations. Testimonials from farmers who have embraced these advanced technologies provide compelling evidence of the efficiency and yield improvements brought about by modern spreaders. For instance, a farmer utilizing a GPS-enabled spreader reported a remarkable 20% increase in productivity attributable to the precision of manure application. Such first-hand accounts underscore the transformative effects of modern spreaders on farm productivity and operational efficiency. Moreover, comparative data derived from studies further validate the efficacy of modern manure spreaders. Research indicates that farms utilizing these advanced machines experience significant enhancements in soil health and crop yields compared to those relying on manual spreading methods. The future of manure spreading technology holds promising advancements that are poised to revolutionize agricultural practices. Emerging technologies, including autonomous spreaders and drones, offer the potential to enhance precision and efficiency while reducing the reliance on manual labor. These innovative solutions are expected to streamline the manure spreading process further and optimize resource allocation. On top of that, modern manure spreaders are increasingly being integrated with other smart farming technologies, such as IoT devices and advanced data analytics, to enable more comprehensive and data-driven farm management. By leveraging interconnected systems and real-time data insights, farmers can make more informed decisions, optimize resource utilization, and achieve sustainable agriculture agricultural outcomes. In a nutshell, as technology continues to advance, the future of manure spreading holds even greater promise for the agricultural industry. And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey from manual to modern manure spreaders has been nothing short of revolutionary. As we've seen, these powerful machines have not only saved time and labor, but have also paved the way for more sustainable and productive farming practices. If you enjoyed this deep dive into agricultural machinery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mighty Machinery for more fascinating insights into the world of powerful equipment.